We did it, fam! 2,000 subscribers and counting. So I will be doing a giveaway to celebrate that.
Don't be scared, it's just me. It's your girl Torelina. I'm back with a new vlog. I hope you guys are feeling alright. I hope you guys are feeling good. You know what? The holiday season is here. Today we are setting up the Christmas tree. Last minute Christmas shopping. I look so weird. I look like you can employ me to scare your kids during Halloween. That's the word. Anyway guys, I'm excited to show you guys what we got here. It's actually a white Christmas tree.
Da 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 da, making our Christmas memory.
I got some old decorations and I got some new decorations. We can get down and dirty.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time.
From last year's Christmas, we had this tree. I don't even know if you can see it from down there, but I bet you can. So you can actually tell we are doing a little bit better this year, right? I don't know what I'll do with this one, the small Christmas tree. For now, I'm gonna be setting the Christmas tree right where I am standing, because I feel like when people come in from the door, they can see this one. The best thing about this tree, it already has lights in it, so I might not put any lights in here, although I had lights from last year. So let's assemble this thing.
Memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else.
I've gotta open this up pretty nice, because soon after Christmas I'll put the tree back inside this box. So gotta savor every moment.
Da 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 da, oh oh, da 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 da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, da 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 da, oh, 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 da 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 da, making our Christmas memories.
Before I put up any ornaments, I want to show you that this tree has inbuilt lights. So even if you don't have lights, you can still use it. I actually got it from Safari. It's a low budget Christmas tree, and I think it's such a good thing, because if you don't want to do too much, if you don't want to buy too much, one tree in itself is enough. It has lights inside of it, so if you don't want to buy ornaments, or if you don't want to buy extra things, this is perfect for you. It was only 99 reals, but there was a sale, so I got it at 56 reals in Safari Mall.
Did you see that? Did you see that?
Ta-da! Beautiful, even without ornaments.
Baby, this
Ooh, and you have a button where you can change the lights. Let's see what they have. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. One red, one blue, one red. I like it. Really, really like it. Let me look at it from another angle.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Red ornaments. I still have some old stuff, but I want to use the new stuff. So I'll switch this off and we can begin putting this out. Oh. can't be able to do it by myself. So I'll try and call maintenance, but first I need to figure out how I'll put these lights up because they're super long. I have this window which is slightly smaller. Like, I'm so confused. I might end up not putting this up, but I like how it looks. So Christmassy.
Now we are a little bit done with what I was supposed to do. I've put up the stockings, I've put out the ornaments, and I've set up the Christmas tree. It's starting to feel a little bit like Christmas. I really wanted the lights up in my curtains, but I'm short and I don't really know how to go about it. I did a little bit of shopping when I came back to Qatar. I wanted to show you guys what I got. So as always, if you are a returning subscriber, you know I'm a big fan of New Yorkers. So this is what I got. Oh, like it was on a big sale. From $259 to 159 riyals. Look at that. Then look at the front, baby. I loved it so much. I didn't want to leave it behind. And I also kind of picked up a bigger size because I know when I go home, my brother will want to keep this. But I'll think about it because I really like how it looks. Truck bottom. A beige brown sweatpants. This is how it looks, and it came with a partner. It's a set. I've never known how to pronounce this name. Stradivarius. I think one day I should ask those ladies who work there. Anyway, I also got a 2-piece travel set. Like, I wish you guys can feel the material of this sweatpant set, of course, from the screen, because that's why I spent a little bit too much on this. But yo, it's crazy. It is beautiful. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but just immediately I wear it, I even look super classy. And it came with a matching pants, super classy. Wait, they don't love me like I love you. Wait. Shein package. I always shop from Shein. I've already removed a few things here and there from this. It's a very long bonnet. 2-piece set. For like, I'd call them loungewear to just chill in the house with and to look cute whenever I'm at home. It's a top, a blue top, and it comes with the cute little shorts. So nice sets. I like it. I think I'm just in the whole mood of Christmas mood. I'm looking forward to getting a red sweatpant set. So that's how it is. I got this, and I got this, and I got this. The top and the short. Not really the short. The short is a bit too short. That's why I put on another short on top, which is not too short.
Huh?
But it's a 2-piece set. This and the short within, beneath, inside. It's also a nice chill outfit for the house. 2,000 subscribers and counting. OMG, I'm just here to say thank you to all of you guys. And my thank you is not just gonna come like thank you. I'm doing a giveaway. We're in the Christmas season. We're in the Christmas feel and all that, and Christmas is all about giving, it's all about family, it's all about friends. So I will be doing a giveaway to celebrate the 2,000 subscribers and counting, guys, because you've really supported me from the start, from the beginning, from the start. Oh my god, I want to cry. I am so grateful, and that's why I want to do a giveaway. I want to give you guys all my money. So this is how you're gonna win the prize if you really want it, okay? Subscribe if you haven't, because I'll be giving this prize to whoever has subscribed to my channel. Like this video, let's get it to 100 likes, 200 likes, 300 likes, but let's get it guys. Comment down below and tell me your favorite video. Tell me what you'd like to see more on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to tag your friend. Share, don't keep the fun to yourself, because this giveaway is going to 2 people. So I'm doing a giveaway whereby you go comment, tag your friends on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube. Let me know. When I see that one comment that is going to be like, oh my god, this is so amazing, or some other things will be put in place, that's the person who's gonna get the giveaway. Bonus! Share this video on your Instagram, on your TikTok, and make sure you tag me. So the more you tag me, the more you tag your friends on my post, the higher your chances of getting this prize. As I said, the prize is going to you and your friend. Don't keep this fun to yourself. Share with your friends, okay? Because that is what we do here. I'll be announcing the winner on the 25th of December. The most amazing comment I'll see, I'll give out 3,000 Kenyan shillings. And for your friend, I'll give them 1,500 shillings. I mean that. And I will send you the money on that day, 25th of December. So you better start commenting, better start tagging me on Instagram, better start tagging me on TikTok. Because if you want the prize money, you gotta prove to me that you deserve it. Don't keep the fun to yourself, come on. And not only will you enter a chance to win, you will enter in this epic family. We have great content. We have amazing videos. We travel a lot. We give out tips. We just have fun out here. So you will have, the more when you subscribe to this channel, you will be like so happy. So good luck, and thank you guys for being amazing. Subscribe.
Sweater weather in Qatar. Hi guys, good morning. This is 2 days later after setting up my Christmas tree. I'm going to get my nails done and my feet done. It's Christmas, so I'm gonna do the red set. Yeah, let's look a little bit put together. So today I'm wearing this 2-piece set from Max. It's green and warm. As I said, it's actually like 9 and it's very gloomy around here, so the weather has really changed. So I'm gonna need a few more sets of this because I don't even need to wear any sweater on top. Happy new month, because today is the 2nd of December. Enjoy watching this video. Let's go. believe I'm starting this video and I'm looking like this. I'm supposed to go to Dubai. I don't have a visa. We have been struggling with finding one. But tomorrow I'm supposed to travel and then come back on Saturday. Now this is how my house looks. My flight is tomorrow at around 5, but I haven't even received my Dubai visa yet. So hopefully I'll get it before 5. Otherwise, I'm just gonna pack up 3 outfits because we're coming back on Saturday, and we'll see how it goes. Anyways, there's so much mess in my house that I need to clean.
Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment.
Remember this video when I told you I was going to Dubai? It didn't work out as I thought it would, because the visa didn't come out and I only had a few days to be there. So we thought there's no need to travel. But the worst part is we had booked the flight, we had paid for the visas to be transacted, we had paid for the hotel, so we kind of lost money along the way. Everything has a reason behind it, because from the beginning the whole trip wasn't coming so easy. But all in all, I'm so happy. My hubby came and he brought me so many gifts, and I can't wait to open it with you guys and find out what's inside, because I really want to find out what's inside. I can't wait for 25th to get here so that I can open my gifts and my presents. But anyway, Dubai didn't work out. Anyways, tell me guys, what are you doing for Christmas? What's your plan? You know, what's your plan? Talk to me.
Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in a moment with me. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I see you climbing.
Guys, have you heard my accent? It has changed.
See you smiling.
Take me to USA now. I'm ready. I'm ready.